If you just need a spruce up in your kitchen, you can just change your countertops. What you will have to do is change the countertop on the perimeter without the island, or change the perimeter and the island. But in either of those, you'll have to change your sink, your faucet, your backsplash most likely, and you might as well be prepared for that. And you can just do that. You can stop there. That will make it look different. It will give you the spruce up, the happy feel of new, and be done. On the other end, if you want a brand new remodel, well, obviously all goes and is all going to be changed and is part of the new remodel. When doing a complete remodel, you have a power to change completely colors and everything, versus when you only change the countertop and the backsplash, your power is a little bit less, because you still need to keep in consideration the cabinetry color, the floor color, etc., etc. So it will feel new, but you're not in a complete control. It is perfect for, like I said, sprucing up, or I gotta update the countertop so that the kitchen looks more new, more presentable. Absolutely, it works. People do this all the time. Go with very neutral selection on backsplash and countertop, and it works. If you're looking for deeper colors, then remember that you will have to change most likely both the perimeter and the island. If you only want the perimeter change, you must change the entire perimeter. You can't just change a piece there if they're connected. If they're not connected, like the old school office desk thing in the kitchen, you can do that because they're not in a continuation. That cabinet is usually always higher or lower. So you can do that, but I don't count that as a kitchen countertop change. That is more of that's what it is the office area cabinetry and countertop change. So I hope that answers.